come, new moon's rising. I take my chances on the blue horizon. Leap of faith, a shot of spirit. Freedom's calling, I can hear it. Hold on tight, we're gonna get there. It's time, we're on our way. It ain't over yet. You can lay your bed. Now nothing's in my way. You ain't seen nothing yet. I have learned to fly. Hold my head up high. There's something
We were strangers, starting out on a journey, never dreaming what we'd have to go through. Now here we are, and I'm suddenly standing at the beginning with you.
No one told me I was going to find you. Unexpected, what you did to my heart. When I lost hope, you were there to remind me this is the start. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning.
We were strangers on a crazy adventure,
Never dreaming how our dreams would come true. Now here we stand, unafraid of the future, at the beginning with you. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Knew there was somebody somewhere. Let me love in the dark. Now I know my dream will live on. I've been waiting so long. Nothing's gonna tear us apart. And life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep flowing. Life is a road now and forever, wonderful journey. I'll be there when the world stops turning. I'll be there when the storm is through. In the end I wanna be standing at the beginning with you. Life is a road and I wanna keep going. Love is a river I wanna keep going on.
starting out on a journey.